Hey everyone, this is Arun and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm discussing the solution of this question. Electrocomp Corporation manufactures two electrical products, air conditioners and large fans. The assembly processes for each is similar in that both require a certain amount of wiring and drilling. So here in this question, from this line till the bottom of the sentence, here they have mentioned the constants, and this question we need to provide the formulation and gives us the chart to produce the outcome. So with a graphical approach. So I have already solved this question using Excel and graphical method. So here we have used x1 and x2 as a variables for number of air conditioners to be produced, and x2 is number of fans to be produced. Our goal is to maximize profit, as already they mentioned here. So 25 and 15. So goal is to maximize profit, and these are our constraints. 3x1 plus 2x2 is less than 240, which is wiring, and 2x1 plus 1x2 is less than 1 or equals to 140, where x1 and x2 is greater than or equals to 0. So I have used the constraints from this paragraph as they already mentioned here, and this is my formulation sheet. Then I used Excel solver as well. So this is my solver, x1 and x2, and then this one is my solver setup, where this row number 8 is the decision variables, and row number 12 and 13, x1 and x2, they are constraints. This one is wiring and this one is drilling. Then my answer is 1900 using Excel formulas and solver. Then this one is our part B. So this is a graphical method. This portion is a drilling and constant. I have used Excel graphs using these points, and this whole area, which is shaded in gray color, is a feasible region. And this one is our optimal solution. This region, this point, where the two lines meet, which is x1 equals to 40 and x2 equals to 60. And this red line, orange and red line, becomes the wiring constant. They all are C1 and C2. And so this one is the solution for this question. So I hope you like this video. Do subscribe me for another videos. And if you need this Excel file, you can definitely reach me out over my WhatsApp and email address, which I will be sharing you the description part of this video. So thank you, and thank you for watching this video, and have a great day. Take care. Bye.